May mga employers pa rin po ba nag-hire ng foreign workers sa Canada kahit walang experience sa abroad?
Yes, kasi po pwede naman na yung experience na gamitin mo is yung nasa Pilipinas eh. So, if that's what you mean with your question, definitely the answer will be yes. Pero kung ang tanong mo sa akin, with this situation, marami pa rin bang mga employer ang nag-hire from outside the country? Then makikita natin na medyo bumaba yung numbers because naghigpit ang LMIA right now.
Thank you very much, Ms. Mel. And that's it for today, Pumakap. Thank you very much for joining us, Pumakap. Before we end this video, we would like to invite you, Pumakap, to join our growing community, Canadian Dreamer Community. On this community, Pumakap, you will have an opportunity to access the following. You will able to join our weekly webinar, Pumakap, plus our 5 days immigration success, and also we have an exclusive immigration bootcamp. You will able to learn express entry, provincial nominee, or AIP, or how to find job offer here in Canada. You'll be able to access also our real success stories to give you more inspiration. So we strongly suggest mga kap, if you are dreaming to study, immigrate, work in Canada, I strongly suggest to join our growing community, Canadian Dreamer Community, mga kap. The link is in the description below, or simply type in the comment section access, and I'm going to send directly this link to you, communitycanada.net. Thank you very much, mga kap, and signing out. Maraming salamat, mga kap, and see you here in Canada.